Hi YouTubers, JDCap26 here, just do tips and repairs, and we're doing the painting on Herman here, and we're going to do his face next. We'll get right to it, hopefully. Pour some paint in here. We do the face, and then we're going to block the face off with some tissue after it dries. And so we don't paint it when we paint the rest of them. So let's turn on the compressor, see if we have this set right. I'm going to set the let's see if we can get his face painted. I don't know if you can see this. That's coming out very well. Don't worry about the overspray. That can be taken care of when you go in and hand paint. I have to compete with this compressor, so to speak. Okay, so Herman's face is done, and we're going to do the base next. So we're back with the base now, and let's see if we can get some paint on this. I put the yellow paint on top of the gray, so it's going to come out yellow at first, just to get rid of it. And I mixed the two together. Obviously, it's going to take a while for that to come out. Let's see. Raise this up a little bit more. Well, it looks like my experiment did not work. I was trying to see if the gray paint would come and mix into it eventually will. Just spray it out. Spray it out the paper here. There we go. Now we got the gray. Takes a while to bleed it out. So here's the gray. So got some puky green in there. You want to do the edges here like that. They give it some interesting color to it. Doesn't have to exactly match the other base, Grandpa. And we will be getting back to Grandpa because I have to fix Grandpa's eyes. So let me finish that. So now we're doing the table. Spray the table. This stuff really goes quick, Jekyll, and this paint. And I'm going to stamp. I'm going to see if I can cut it a little bit with some thinner. Get a little more life out of it. Let's see. That seems to be a little bit better. So we're going to do the box black. Just a misting of black. Got this little tool here, it helps me paint. Holds the paint. So I don't get my fingers all messed up with paint. Like so. We got Herman's head wrapped up. I'm going to spray paint the black on. Take a moment here, break. Stabilize the camera. Let's try to get his bottom half done. And we'll hit it with the dryer. We're going to let that dry a little bit and hit it with the dryer. So we're back here and we're going to do the top part. I'm going to put the compressor on. Try not to get his hand. I just did. I'm going to have to fix that big time. Not messing around here. We're just getting the model prepped up and done, and we're going to do a dull coat on this, but we're going to take that outside because the dull coat is very, very toxic, and you really need it out to do it outside to put a nice dull coat on this, seal it. Yeah, we're going to do his little hands here with the red. Don't worry about that. We just have to brush his hands on here green. As promised here, we're going to do his wrists. Okay. We're going across each one. Dropping the paint in like that. Remember, you got to turn the model because it's 3D. And what you mess up, you can always fix. Don't fret. Don't threat that. Don't get upset about it that you can't fix something that, oh, I messed up the paint job, because it can always be fixed. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. And then when you turn the model, see, like in there, I got to put some black in there. You will find spots that you missed with the airbrush, Yeah, you're not supposed to mess with the airbrush, I know, but it happens. So we open up the water here. We just stick that in there, that brush. We grab another brush, and we got some black already in the pan here. And where did we see that? That we missed? Right over here. See it right in there? Missed in there. So you just touch it up with the brush like that. I'm going to take this off his top part here. Hopefully I can get it off. We used a very thin, and it's very thin elastic to do this, and just pull it off like that. We don't have too much damage to Herman's face as far as overspray. We do have to go in there and fix things up. Put that to the side. So we got some black here. Let's grab a brush and fix his collar up here. Fill his collar in. I mean, you know, they've got all these books out and figure painting and stuff, and you can read them if you like to enjoy doing that. And I'm sure you can get some really good tips on it. I may pick one up. A friend of mine, I'm sure you know him, Andy, just had a video on that, and looks like some pretty good books. I may pick one up. I don't know. Flip through it. But you really gotta know how to do things and really keep doing things, keep practicing, and know the techniques. See how we missed back here? It's not a problem. Just fill it in. Not a problem. We could do outlines on here with a lighter color of black. You have to put a tinge of white in the black to make that. So just fill in his collar in. So to highlight his collar, you can go around here with a very fine brush and fill his hair in back here. But you know, you got to enjoy doing this stuff, you know. If you're going to make it too technical and this and that, it gets more to be like work, you know. And it is work, but I got to switch brushes. Put that brush in there and pick up a smaller brush here with the black and fill in here. His hair comes down. I got to do his. There's some silver parts in his thing, and I got to do his bolts. Bring the hair down over his ears, close to his ears. Do the other side. Okay, so we're going to do that. We jumped ahead here, and Herman's all done. There he is in his entirety, touching something dangerous, of course, and getting himself into trouble. And here's a close-up of him. Focus in on him. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And have a great day.